You lost the video, eh? What smells bad? I can't smell anything right now, so. What if you did that in class, man?
Oh no!
What?
I'm just gonna sit here in this little corner. Actually, that's really cool. I'll be back!
She's so weird. This is what me and Amanda do when we don't go to school. Just chilling. Oh my god, she's gonna come out and like scare me. She's probably gonna be like, anyways. Oh no. Amanda? She's calling my host. You're a fag. What?
Well, hello.
What are you doing?
What's going on?
What? Shit, I have a spell. What the fuck?
I'm in a corner!
What are you doing? Dancing in a fridge?
No, I'm in a corner!
La la la! Dancing in a fridge! Alright, I'll put this on YouTube, Holmes. So say bye.
Stop texting me!
Okay.
Sorry, it's cool, yeah. No!